Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to show you a gorgeous 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Now this beautiful baby blue car is probably one of the nicest T-Birds I've seen in a very long time. This car runs and drives spectacular. This is a frame-off restoration. This car is all painted body color underneath. You can kind of get an idea. You look in there in the inner fenders, kind of get an idea. I will put this car up on the hoist here just a little bit and take some undercarriage pictures. You're going to be just astounded by how nice this thing is. Beautiful, detailed, highly detailed engine compartment. 312 V8 automatic transmission, vintage air conditioning, aluminum radiator. This is just a very, very nice, highly detailed car. A little bit of dirt there. This car, the chrome bumpers are beautiful. The grille, the emblems. There's a stack of invoices in there, receipts in there from when this car was restored. A lot of pictures. Beautiful four-hole hardtop. Fender skirts, wide whites, correct cap, steel painted wheels. Just like this car should have looked when it pulled off the assembly line in 1957. Got the window guards on it. Exhaust exits through the rear bumper. Rear bumper on this car just the same as the front, just absolutely gorgeous. I'll open the door here and show you this beautiful interior. Interior is completely redone. Seat is fabulous. Sun visors, headliner, dash pad. It's got a retro radio in it. Like you say, it's vintage air. Your plug in there for your USB. Car has got a security system, keyless entry, it looks like. It also has electric power steering on it, which I don't hardly ever see any cars with electric power steering, but this car has them. Custom auto sound. It does have a set of aftermarket gauges in it, Dolphin aftermarket gauges. Gauges are very, very nice. Probably a lot more reliable than the stock standard gauges. Highly detailed trunk compartment as well. Once I shut this car off, I'm going to take it down and take some undercarriage pictures of it, and I'll shut it off. I'll take a few shots of there. But when I tell you this is probably one of the nicest T-Birds I've seen in a long time, I'm not joking. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Looks like the soft top is in there as well, I think. Just a gorgeous car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. You can check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful 57 Ford Thunderbird, give us a call, or maybe one of the other collector vehicles that we have in stock. We stock 125 to 150 collector cars. I'm just going to give you a quick little glimpse of what the undercarriage of this car looks like. Check it. Beautiful, beautiful car. Even the leaf springs, the frame, everything's been all taken apart, painted. Let's go down here and look. Check out that car. You want to talk about quality? This car is 100% quality. There's no guessing on this car. If you're going to have one, you might as well have the best, and this is one of the best, in my opinion. The car is a stand-up car. The heater works, and that heater feels extremely good today. It is a little bit chilly out today. There we go. feels a lot better.
We're taking it for a little cruise. I'm going to take this car down and put it up on the lift, and we're going to take our undercarriage pictures. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade class cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you have a car you'd like to sell, give us a call. Really love to talk to you. Give us a call and make this beautiful 57 Thunderbird yours today. I think I must have a speaker. When I hit a bump, I have a speaker that's kind of crackling just a little bit. If that's all the worries we have, then we're going to have a pretty good day. The paint, body, interior in this car, everybody, is absolutely gorgeous. Check out the pictures. Watch this video again. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.